Hey, just a quick video on using this Creda Simplicity condenser dryer. This is quite an old one. Somewhere we're renting has it, and it still works pretty well. So over here you've got your suggested times. I mean, I'd always go about 20 to 30% less than what they say on here, just as a first run. Mine is like half load, but I just want to try it out anyway. And probably you want to have that out. Gentle heat timer over here. Just wind it that way. So I'm just going to do mine as a 20-minute test run first of all. Get that door firmly closed, seem to pop open. Push to start. Oh, my power's not on. And then push to start. And you hear it instantly start spinning nicely. There you go, just take it easy and it should be a good dryer.